Calling Patrick my baby father to
Hello?
complain about is twin
Hello?
brother Rick.
Hello? Hello? Oh, yes, Patrick. Patrick, how are you, darling? You're fine? So, oh, it's foreign. Good. So, oh, me and the kids? Oh, we're not doing too bad at all. We're not doing bad. Thank you for the little money where you send. But listen to me now. When me call about. You see your twin brother, Rick. The car where you buy give me, see Patrick, for run taxi. Jesus Christ. Patrick, if you see the car, every day the car pass yard, me see my one brown big body girl cock up in the car. And Patrick, me say me a go a market. And me a tell you say me go in the car. And me a tell you say, oh God Almighty, the car no sound good at all. It sound like he have alternator problem, brake shoe problem. CV giant come here, it a go go. Oh Lord. Patrick, I saw you waste out your money. Me said the family them about care you down and you not listen to me, you know. You feel listen to what me I tell you say, not because you not twin him about care you down. Eh? Me fi hold on, family come first. Yes, me know how you care about your family them, me know them come first, mine come first too. But no, I know last week you send money come give him for work on the car and then take it give the big body girl where my drive up and down with because that a car they don't fix up Patrick. Eh? He might go send you into a wreck and make you come back to Jamaica with nothing, not even shot by your back. Me fi hold on? Hold on pa what? Eh? Well, it up to you. It up to you. I rest my case, Patrick. I rest my case.